Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher, Safawad Akhtar Ansari. Now today we make a high-level language program, means Visual Basic program, in which what we have to do, we have to input the top speed of 500 cars, and then we have to output the fastest speed and the slowest speed, and then we have to take out the average and give the output of all the 500 cars, right? So this is a simple program that we have to do, that we need to input the top speed of cars, and then the cars quantity is 500, and then we have to output the fastest and the slowest speed along with the average speed of all the 500 cars. Now what we have to do, it is a very simple program. I already made it. So I use the speed variable, that we need to input the speed, and then our conditional statements will compare the speed with the fastest variable and the slowest variable. We use the I use the variable count to store the values from 1 till 500. Then for the average, I use the variable total, because average formula contains the total value, so that is why I use the variable name total. And for the average, I use the variable average. Now this is a key point, that slowest equals to 100. Why I have taken this value? Alright, our conditional statement will compare the fastest and the slowest speed. So how it will do it? So that's why I use the slowest variable and I put the value 100 in it. Why? I will tell you in the next step. Now for the testing purpose, I reduce the number of cars from 500 to 5. Just for a testing purpose, I use the for variable. Then I input the value using the console.write, enter speed. Whatever the speed will be entered, console application will read that line and then store in the speed variable. Next is the total variable. Why do I use it? To calculate the average. So whatever the values is stored in the speed variable, it will add it into the total variable, right? And then next step is, if the input speed is greater than the fastest speed is by default 0, then our speed value will add it in the fastest variable, right? And then if the speed is less than the slowest value, means slowest is 100. If it is less than the slowest value, then the speed will be stored in the slowest variable. That's why I use the slowest value 100, because it would be easy for a conditional statement to compare, that what if the value becomes greater than the fastest and what if the value becomes less than the slowest. So I put the slowest variable, I take the slowest variable and put the value 100 in it, and our speed will be stored in the slowest. Now I closed the conditional statement and the loop, and now next is the formula. I use the average variable and calculate the average by dividing the total with the value 5, because 5 is the total number of cards. For the testing purpose, I reduced the number of cards from 500 to 5. That is why I used the value total divided by 5. Now next is the output. The console.write line fastest speed is, and then fastest speed will be shared. Slowest speed is, and then the slowest speed will be shown here, and then average speed, and the average speed will be shown here, and then console.read key will wait for the user input. Now let's see whether our application is working or not. Now for the testing purpose, I input the value. Let's suppose 200, right? And what if I input value 80? Now I input the value 150, and now if I input the value of 70, now I input the value 170. It's a random value, of course. Now how many values have we entered? 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's see what happens. The fastest speed is 200, of course 200 is the biggest value, and the slowest is 70, and the average speed is 134. This is a test 1. Now we do test number 2, that whether our application is working or not, so we can verdict our application. Okay, now I input the value. Let's put 300 and 90 and 105 and then 88 and then 130. So the fastest speed is the 300 and the slowest speed is the 88, and average is 143. Now we got the final result that yes, our application is working because we have done few number of tests, and we reduced the number of cars from 500 to 5. It means that our application is working perfectly. So we have to just wind up today's class, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.